Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and wow, am I tired. Today I went out and shopped in store, which if you've been watching my channel, you know is a little unusual for me. I went to two clothing stores. I went to Torrid and I went to Maurice's. Maurice's I spent, what was it? At Maurice's I spent $375 and some change. At Torrid I spent $411. So I've got some serious trying on to do, and y'all, I am wore out. I spent all day at those stores. I went in, I told them, I said, y'all style me. I want to see what y'all got. And boy, did the girl at Torrid just jump on that. Got so excited. Super sweet girl, name is Jessica. Loved her. And also another lady helped me too. Her name was Casey. They were so sweet. Thank y'all so much. Y'all were wonderful. I am going to make this in two different videos because if I tried on all these clothes in one video, it would take all day. So, y'all, I'm so excited. I just thought I would make an intro, maybe even make an ad out of it and just pop it on my channel so you know what's coming up in the future. Y'all, I hope you have a wonderful day and God bless.